And good evening. Today we are going to see how to create read-only access, that is a view-only access for the users. For that, I will navigate what have to do. So we have one profile options is there, like manage administration profile. If you go to this, you will find this profile value. We have to set the values there. Okay, this is the concept. So I'm going to setup and maintenance. Then we have to go to search. Then we have to search for this main administration profile values. Okay. So once we go there, we have one profile value is there. FND read only mode. Search for that. Then search for that value. Sorry. Here we have add username. So I created one test user. Then I have to enable here. Okay. When I save and close, I'm logging into that that user, and I will so now if you see that you have only read access for all applications. So to give only read access to all applications, you have to use this profile value. Other than that, it won't give any. Suppose you want to only view only invoices, you have to create roles for that, separate roles for that. But I want to give total access for a read only, then you have to use this profile options. So if you have any doubts on this, please ping me on YouTube comment section so that I can reply back. Okay, thank you.